Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to chat with simple customer support in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to log into your simple account. So go ahead and log into your simple account using your email address and password on Simple's website. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the help button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you have that click, just select chat with support from the drop down menu. Now you're going to choose a chart topic, or you could just describe your issue in details. And once you've set that, just wait for a response from Simple's customer support team, and they're going to help you to take care of that. So go ahead and chat with the support agent, and you're going to need to provide additional information based on as what's requested by the customer support agent. And they're going to help you to take care of whatever issues that you're having, and hopefully get all that fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to chat with simple customer support in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next